Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro MUA. Welcome. Today we are playing with the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collection. I am super excited that I got my package in the mail and I am super excited to be playing with it. I love Karen, I love all of her videos, I love Dose of Colors products. The Desi and Katie collection did not disappoint, so I'm super stoked to be playing with this. I created this look using the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collection. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. It's that, red button that says subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if you did. So if you guys want to know what comes in the collection, what the products look like, and what I think about the products, then please continue watching. So here's the package for the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collab. Opening it up, we have a message from Karen on the top of the lid. It says, "To all my beauties, I am happy to share my dream collaboration with Dose of Colors. When we created the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collection, we wanted to make sure that everyone could go from a natural soft look to the ultimate glam. We hope you enjoy what we've created. Thank you for being my daily motivation. Without you guys, this would not have been possible." Okay, and then we have just the card, and on the back it's a few of the looks. We've got the Dose of Colors thank you card, and we've got some stickers of Karen. I'm just going to remove everything out of the box and I will show you what we have. We have a crap ton of lip products. We have 6 lip products over here. I'm just going to swatch them for you when the time comes and only try on one, but the rest will be swatched. We've got an eyeshadow palette and 2 highlighters. I didn't realize how many lip products were going to be in this collection, so 6 is a lot. Yeah, you see my dog just roaming in the back there. Hey! Hey! We agreed that you would be up here, but you would have to lie down and play with your toy. Stop distracting my audience, please. It's been a while since Bear's been in a video, but he will be roaming in the back, just chilling on my bed. Right, Bubba? Right, Bubba? So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Oh. Oh my god, I am in like absolute disbelief right now. I just opened my palette and the blue shade that I was actually going to use today broke and is now all over my legs. Well, this is a fun mess. I guess I can do a look with one of the other colors, but I'm kind of pissed right now. I was actually dying to use that shade. And not only do I have to create a new look, I have to clean up the mess on my lap. I'm back and I've cleaned up the mess. There are sparkles everywhere. When I say I'm disappointed, I'm extremely disappointed. I just sent an email to Dose of Colors and hopefully they can help me with something. Let's do some swatches. So we're gonna go into this glittery shade first. Wow, it's very icy, it's very nice. The gold shade next. Wow, these shades are very pigmented. So in this brown matte shade. Yeah, that's pretty. Let me do a little bit more. That's a really nice shade. Okay, we're gonna go into this lighter shade. Everything is mixed with blue right now, but whatever. Wow, I really like that. And then I guess I can just dip into the bottom of the pan of the blue and just give you a swatch of what it would look like. Oh, I really wanted to try this color. I'm so upset. And then the black glittery shade. Oh wow. Guys, this palette is beautiful. I'm going to create a really basic look. A lot of the blue shade fell into the glitter shade, so I don't really want to screw with those shades. With a Morphe E28 brush, I'm going to go into the shade at the bottom. With the Royal & Nickel BMX 430 crease brush, I'm going to go into this shade over here. With the Lottie London packing brush, I'm going to go into this shade and pack that all over the lid. And with the Royal & Nickel brush, just blend that out again. And with the Still a Stale Day waterproof eyeliner, I'm going to create a wing liner. I finished one eye. I'm going to complete the other off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and I have finished my eyes as well as my face. All I have left to do is my favorite part, which is highlight and then apply some lipstick. The collection has two highlighters. Let's open them up. So one of the highlighters is Soulmate and the other highlighter is Bathe. I don't know. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to do one on each side of my face and then I'll mix them after just to see what they look like. The first highlighter I'm going to use is Bathe. Wow. Oh my god. I'm looking away from the monitor, but like I really hope you can see how beautiful this is. I'm gonna be going into Soulmate. Oh my god, is this blinding? Can't really see this side because the monitor is over there. But, oh my god. Wow. Okay, for the rest of my face, I think I am going to use Soulmate. Wow. Oh, looks pretty. It looks pretty. So I'm just gonna finish my eyes now and I'm gonna be going into this dark brown shade and then putting that underneath my bottom lash line. One thing's for sure, I am absolutely obsessed with this highlighter. So we have 6 lip products. I will be swatching each of these products for you. Ooh, I love this. The packaging is really cute. So the first product we have is a liquid matte lipstick in FRESA. FRESA? I don't know, I'm not Spanish. Wow. Next we have another liquid matte lipstick in Aesthetic. Okay. Wow, these shades are really pretty. Another liquid matte lipstick in Nude Chica. Wow, that one's really pretty as well. How am I gonna decide? Another liquid matte lipstick in Peachii. Bam! These are pretty. Okay, and then we have 2 lip glosses. This first lip gloss is in Brillo. Brillo. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's like a... There's like gold reflexes in there. It's really pretty. And then the last lip gloss is Barely There. Oh, and this is more of a colored lip gloss. So it's a nude lip gloss rather than just the clear glossy lip. Wow. How am I going to decide which one I want to wear? I want to wear them all. I'm going to go with Peachii and the Brillo lip gloss. And on top of Peachii, I'm going to go in with Brillo. Okay, so I'm done my makeup and I'm just going to give you a quick review on what I thought of each of the products. So first we're gonna go into the eyeshadow palette. I don't want to be mean. I'm just really disappointed because of what happened to my blue shade. Other than that though, they're beautiful. The colors are really nice. They blended really nicely. I would have maybe preferred one more matte shade. But other than that, like, I love this palette. I just wish that this didn't happen in the blue one, because originally I wanted to use the blue shade to create a look, so that kind of messed with everything once I opened it and it fell onto my lap. That aside, I love the shades in here. I love how blendable they are. I love that the black is a black but with glitter in it. I love that it can be easily blended, and I love the those two shimmer shades as well. I was hoping maybe there would be one more matte shade, but other than that, it's a beautiful palette. Next, these highlighters. These highlighters are amazing. Look at how blinding that is. I am obsessed with these, and I'm going to continue to use these 1010%. These are amazing. I love each and every shade in this collection. This lip gloss is amazing, and I love the peachy shade I'm wearing right now. But this lip gloss, oh my god, I can't believe there are 6 shades of lips here. Like, that is a lot. It looks amazing. I love all of these shades. They swatch really nicely. I cannot wait to try all of these colors out. I'm very impressed with this collection. I love this collection. I am obsessed. I am obsessed with this collection. But yeah, that concludes my first impression and review on the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collection. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Let's do some swatches. A lot in London pracking. Ugh, that was gross, I'm sorry.